Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new brokerage listing of mine. It's a 2018 Scout 177 Sport. This boat does come with an easy loader trailer that has a swing tongue, single axle trailer with mag wheels, diamond plated fenders. This boat was just detailed. Came out really clean. Minn Kota Ulterra trolling motor on the bow. 6-foot power pole. Starboard side mounted to a fiberglass wedge. Boarding ladder to the port side. The boat does have trim tabs, hydraulic steering, and a 90 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha. White hull, as you can see here. Climb up inside and open everything up. Large casting space on the foredeck. Storage in the bow. Anchor, fenders, bucket, throwable device. Live well is beneath this forward seat. Two-person helm seat here with storage beneath. That is dedicated space for a cooler, which is back there. Just pulled it out to get clean. Also got tackle storage, fire extinguisher, bilge pump. Here we've got a 5-inch Garmin GPS with a transom-mounted transducer. Boat has 9.9 hours on it. Power pole deploy there. That does come with a switch at the dash and a remote lanyard. Steering wheel has an adjustable base, battery switch right there on the console. You got storage for batteries. A little storage net here, the bag, which we currently have the flare kit. So this GPS is an analog screen with buttons, really easy to use. So you can go from your navigation charts to your sonar. You can do split screen. If this boat is ready to fish, give me a call at 843-574-8289. If you have any questions about this boat, it is located at our store at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. Thanks for watching. See you soon.